Hi, I'm back again with a bike check today. So I have got a Kenda Kenda tyre with an alienation rim, with plain black rim. As you can see that. Don't know if you can see that. I've got GT standard forks with tinted yellow on them. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah. And then I've got the GT frame with tinted frame at the back. I'm using the standard pedals, see-through, and then got an alienation rim and a Kenda back wheel tyre. Sorry. I'm not too sure what you call it, brake thing on the back. Don't know what it's called yet. I've got a purple seat clamp with a standard GT pivotal seat. Sorry about the quality, I'm just trying to record it from my computer, which is really hard. Moving down here again, I've got shadow grips with a Tektro brake lever, Tektro brake line. I've got S&M bars with the standard GT stem. And I've got a Cane Creek headset. So yeah, that's my bike check. Please subscribe, comment. Thanks.